Hello and welcome everyone to our group's Sugar Project presentation of 2021. Our team, which is Marina, David, Georgi, Rudra, and myself, Sonia, cooperating sponsor is the German-based sanitary fittings manufacturer hansgrohe. How might we create a self-care routine which improves health and well-being was the challenge proposed by hansgrohe. After working on a solution for the past 9 months, we'd like you now to think about your own bathroom routine. Have you got a set bathroom routine? Is it consisting of repeating the same steps? Have you blocked certain weekdays for treatment or spa and wellness day? Is it a minimal routine that's washing a face or an actual elaborate routine? And we would like to know, do you do wellness at home or prefer to go to a spa or beautician, which is currently maybe unavailable due to COVID or affordability? We have collected multiple experiences of potential users, and the collection of needs presented a long journey to be able to ask you these questions now. If we made you question your own beauty habits right now, don't worry, it's actually what we wanted because we have a solution for you. We found a way to improve your routine and bring a spa-like wellness ritual into your home bathroom. We are here to help you use products easier and define your skincare routine using steam.
Steam is an essential part of many well-being routines, ranging from thermal baths that became popular during Roman times to beauticians that use steam as a pre-treatment for facial skincare routines. It hydrates the skin, promotes blood circulation, allows a deep skin cleansing, and has a relaxing and soothing effect. So steam can be used for both beauty and wellness rituals. An interesting need-finding result is that while many people like steam-related rituals, they usually don't have steaming devices at home and rather do rituals in a spa environment.
Imagine you could enjoy your professional spa routine at home. You would need to go to a cosmetician or a spa to get a full wellness experience. Meet Cirrus, showcased here, the portable steamer that we created to provide a professional and spa-like skincare ritual for the private bathroom. The product can be used to moisture the skin, which improves absorption for better use of products, and it can increase blood circulation. It is designed to be portable, easy to store, and intuitive to use. A handle and various possibilities to change the standing position and angles help the usability of Cirrus.
The product is lightweight and portable, so at home, on vacation, or on a business trip, you can always have everything you need for your personal routine with you. To make it more user-friendly, it has a handle and can also be adjusted to positioned on different surfaces, like you can see in this picture. The product focuses on facial skincare. Especially hot steam can be used to improve blood circulation and increase the absorption of the skin. Therefore, it can improve the effects of skincare products like serums, essences, or creams. The steam is produced via ultrasonic transducers, so it's possible to make both hot and cold steam. And don't worry, since the water is not boiling, the steam won't reach a dangerous or harmful temperature. You can use cold steam if it is really hot outside and you want to vitalize and refresh your skin. Cirrus has also different steaming modes, so you can vary the amount of steam depending on the use case. For the face, a low or mediocre amount of steam would be sufficient. If you use it on another body part, for example, to moisture the skin before shaving or epilating your legs, you can switch to a mode with a high amount of steam. Are you curious now? If you want to know more about Cirrus, our prototypes and the functions, come to our booth. You can visit our website, you can find the link in the chat, or contact us via the chat or on Instagram. We can't wait to meet you and see you later.